So in this video we discuss some of the warning lights in safety cars. So suppose if you turn on the switch and you can see an yellow color here near the fuel pump emblem. A yellow color is shown here. It means that your petrol level is in reserve or empty. So you can see that if it is hearing a sound like this and showing a yellow color, it means that you must fill petrol or diesel soon. So your car will run only up to 20 or 30 kilometers depend after hearing this sound. Then another emblem for you can see brake. So if you release your hand brake, you must simply press like this, and if you release, then